Hello friends, welcome to another episode, another video, Trade with J Flores. Today we're gonna see some of the trades that we are taking, and also how this week is looking so far. I'm really liking the market behavior. It's getting definitely better than what it was 2-3 weeks ago during the summertime. I guess we're still in the summer, but it's getting a little bit better. Okay, right now I'll show you just to start. I'm in two trades. I'm in the odd USD. Excuse me, odd NCD. Okay, I'm in that trade, and as you can see, those are long-term trades. I'm kind of entering a little bit earlier. I don't have a triple arrows yet. But I have the reasons why I'm entering. If I look at the daily, you can see that we have strong support in that area. Okay, but that doesn't mean that this can still drop, below that area over there. So I just put like a very close stop loss in case it does another low. I'm still gonna go in, even if it eats that low right now, but I just enter in case it starts going from that area right there. Because a lot of the times, those are the supply and demand area. Sometimes the markets just go like almost in the 80, 85, 78%, and then the market starts going. Market makers, they have a reason not to go all the way down. Okay, so just in case, I just put a little entrance right there. And if it goes our way, it goes our way. If not, I'll wait until it hits the other low. Okay. And earlier, I don't know. If today, I think that was a 415er right there today. Let me check. Yeah, possible 415er in this area right there, obviously. But the market spiked a lot right there on the odd NZD. I don't know what's going on. Well, I don't know if it's... That looks very weird. Let me see something. Yeah, those are huge spikes right there. Anyway, I'm in that trade. Okay, so I'm at this point 28 points, and I'm also in the Euro USD. That's another one right there that is possible. I had triple arrows already in the 1 hour. I don't have it yet in the 4 hours, so I'm trying to anticipate a little bit. Now, if this one goes, I'm just gonna go for a short move, not too much. I'm just trying to go maybe to the top of that, because we might have another low, for the market makers to come and get all the stop losses below this low right there. But we'll see what happens. So that I'm in that trade already for it's kind of semi, medium, long term. Anyways, I want to welcome all new subscribers. If you are a Simplicity indicators, if you have it, or the Too Easy, welcome to the channel. And if you don't have it, you are welcome to the channel also. Okay. I don't work for any company. I just, show different indicators, and I've been testing this indicator for a while. Although my biggest thing is price action. Okay. And I want to show you a trade alert. Now, please, when I say trade alert, that means that I'm not a financial advisor, but you got to take your own decisions. USD CHF. Let's look and see how it looks. This will be kind of a continuation trade right there. Let's put it in 4 hours. Okay. That for me is painting like a double top right there. Now it's not confirmed yet, but I will definitely go in. Let me look at the 30-minute. 30 minutes, you already have a triple arrow, and that's a double top right there, and the triple arrow on the in the 30 minutes. Sorry. So keep an eye on that one right there. You might drop. It has a lot of potential. I want to show you guys another thing that I do. This is where I do my analysis pretty much, where I draw all my support and demand and all that. And obviously, trading view, I put that line right there, or that rectangular, because I was waiting for a double top, and I put an alarm. As a matter of fact, let me show you the alarm right there. And that alarm was activated. It was activated a few hours ago. It was actually, let's see, I can tell you right there, 11:31. It was activated right there, right when it hit, because I was waiting for this to drop down, and it started going down already. This is where I do my analysis. Check it out. I'm going to show the whole spectrum of what I do pretty much. Okay. I am waiting for this areas right here. Very important areas in the daily. Look where we are right now. That area right there. Beautiful. Double bottom right there. That was divergence. Boom, boom right there. I don't know if you can see divergence. I'm always looking for patterns in those zones, okay? But that was a head and shoulders in that zone. That was a double bottom in that zone, and that was kind of a head and shoulders right there. If you see it too, it went down, and then it's testing that zone again, okay? That USD CHF. Let's look at the 1 hour, so we can see this area again in the 1 hour. Okay, this is the daily. We're in a very strong zone right there. Right now, it's this resistance. We'll go to 1 hour, and I always look for patterns there in those zones. Look, I mean, until this point, it looks like a double top to me. If it drops, it confirms pretty much. All right. So here, then I go to my my simplicity, and I can wait for triple arrows here in the 1 hour. We already have it in the 30. And as you know, the triple arrows are going to start in 1 minute, triple arrows 5 minutes, 15, that'll show the 30, then it'll show the 1, then it'll show the 4th, and this starts moving, it's going to start showing triple arrows, in the zones, okay? So it's very important. That's the way that I do my analysis, to enter into trades with more confidence, pretty much. Okay, so there's a technique, you know how to mark those support and resistance, and I really want to tell you, I mean, you should really study support and resistance. It's very important. A lot of people say, you know, it's not important, but it's very obvious. Okay, it's a price action. Price action creates all these indicators, because price action is the leading action. It's what moved first. Then all these indicators are getting data based on the move of the price. So if somebody tells me a price action is not important, obviously it is important, because all these indicators are lagging. They're late. Okay, they're good. They're good indicators, because they give you, hey, there's going to be an entrance, and sometimes you learn how to anticipate those indicators faster than the indicator. That's why I say you are the best indicator once you learn how to do price action, how to do support and resistance. Very important, and that's pretty much what you need. Price action, support, and resistance. That it's going to change your trading. Price action, support, and resistance. And I mean, the only people that said that it's not important is because they don't understand it. They don't know how to do it, pretty much. Okay. I'm very passionate about it. I'm just talking a little bit loud, but let me tell you, for example, on the odd USD, let me show you my daily support and resistance at this point. Okay. And the daily, right now, I'm in between these two zones right there. And now, right now, it's just going sideways. But guess where it is? Right at the 50% of this zone and that zone. It's just moving sideways, right? Okay, but price action is telling me what does it tell me? That in the daily, this is creating low, a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower highs, and then a lot of smaller lower highs. Okay, but it's definitely coming down right now. So what I'm waiting is for the market, if it decides to do another, if it decides to correct, it's going to correct to this zone. Okay, and then I'm going to look for entrance down here, either to the 50% or all the way to the next support. Okay, and does it have room to go down? Let's look at the weekly. Do you think this move has room to travel down? Look at this move right here. Absolutely, that move is is the beginning, pretty much. Okay. A lot of people say, but yeah, but this is an uptrend. Yes, it's an uptrend in the weekly, right? But if I go in the daily, this move in the daily is in the downtrend. In the daily, please understand, okay? If I go to the 4-hour, in the 4-hour, I will call this a sideways move. But still like that, you can see this, that was higher than this was higher than this. So that's why price action will higher highs and higher lows, higher lows. And then suddenly we got this was the highest low of all this move. Suddenly this, and make it a little bigger so you can try and explain real quick price action. That is my lowest, but it was broken to the low. Okay, and maybe a lot of people went into a trade without a confirmation, but then the market, it was just like maybe like a trap, and then it's going up again. All right, but right now it's very dangerous to go anywhere. That's why I say I don't want to enter trades in the middle of ranges, because it can go up, it can go down. But when you go into zones like this, I mean, you look for patterns, and those are going to work 70-80% of the time. Okay, so I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about that. But and the simplicity, what's going on? Let me show a little bit of trade. I had one trade this week, one trade so far, and I'm waiting for those two trades to work out. All right, and that trade, that was an odd USD. I bought at 73.40, and then I got out, and I got, what was that? I bought at price 72.40, 72.58. That was my stop loss, but 73.82. That was what where I got out, pretty much 73.82. Okay, I made $8 right there. That was my first trade of the week. I'm being very, very patient now. This is my very small account, and my bigger account, I got that trade too. Okay, but this is what I got to show you guys how many pips I'm pretty much collecting. It's not the quantity, guys, of pips. It's, the size of your account. 2%. That's what you're looking for all the time. Okay, so let me get rid of this. Right now, I'm in those two trades. We'll see how they go. Okay, and let me get this smaller right here. But the one I recommend right now, it's, oh wow, how can I close this? Right there. What I recommend right now is USD/CHF. If everything lines up later, wait 1 hour, 30 minutes, just right after London, and go into a trade if everything's lining up. Okay. Well, thank you, friends. I'm gonna show you guys again on the weekend. See if I take more trades. I'm gonna keep a close eye on this one. Okay. Look at the daily. We are at a resistance. Look left. Resistance. support, resistance, resistance. So those are good zones right there if you look left. So this has the possibility to go down for a few pips. Okay, for a few pips. If you ask me for a take profit, I will definitely put a take profit in this area. Let's go to the 30 minutes to see where a take profit is. It's right there, pretty much. Let's not get too crazy. If we go into that, you get, 30, 40 pips. Will be good pips for the week. Well, thank you, friends. Please hit that like notification. Hit that notification for when I put any video. Do you get that notification? We're going in the way, okay, to get 1,000 subscribers, so I can do alerts more often for you guys. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And also ask what kind of videos would you be interested, please, so I can add more better content for you guys. And I will gladly do it, no problem. Thank you very much. I'm going to leave a link. If you don't have Simplicity or 2 Easy Indicators, I really recommend them for you. God bless you all and be safe. Bye-bye.